And in US, na, ma'am, people work very stress free.
And it's good in a way if the work, you know that this amount of work you have to
Yes.
complete within a week or one day. So
Yeah.
whether you take all 24 hours or all 7 days, or if you complete it before the deadline, enjoy.
Yes.
One question popped up in my mind because we Indians have our own accent.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now you are in the US. So
Hmm.
did you ever face the accent problems when you
Yeah.
like the culture of old age home
Hmm.
is rapidly increasing worldwide?
Yeah. One thing I would like to say, if we have a pragmatic approach towards life, then nothing is bad in our life.
Hello, Pramila ji.
Hello, madam. How are you?
How am I looking?
Yeah, you are all fresh as a flower.
Oh, what a compliment. Thank you so much. You are also looking quite fresh. Tell me, where are you?
Yeah, I am in the US nowadays, enjoying my family with my son, daughter-in-law, and granddaughter.
No, good.
Yeah.
That's the reason your face is scintillating and you are shining and glowing. Good to hear
Yeah.
that. Actually,
Yeah.
family time is something like we enjoy the most.
Yes, yes,
For
yes.
parents, when they stay with their children, it's something like world to them.
Right, exactly. We can't express this happiness in words, it's
It's
feeling
ineffable
amazing.
joy. Yes,
Yeah,
undoubtedly. Truly,
right.
truly, you can't express it, but only you can feel. And right now,
Yeah.
you are cherishing that.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Yes, and
Yeah.
God should always shower His blessings so that you can enjoy this because this time is not going to come again.
Right, exactly. That's why I want to enjoy each and every moment of my life.
So true, so true.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
Pramila ji, how is
yeah.
life treating you in the US?
Yeah, I would say it's amazing experience. I am enjoying everyday life and everything because especially I am enjoying with my granddaughter. She is 15 months old and I am enjoying playing whole day with her. So it's a valuable and precious time for me.
And everyday new things. When
Yeah.
she maybe utters a word, the second day
Yes.
maybe the another word, maybe some broken. Does she
Yeah.
does she speak?
Yeah. Yeah. She speaks so many words. Dadisa,
Oh.
dadisa. Like that.
What are you trying to teach her? Are you trying to teach her Hindi and English both? Or
Both.
both?
Both.
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 Okay.
Both.
I mean, do her parents talk in Hindi with her?
They talk in both languages, Hindi and
Okay.
English. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we want to teach her both languages. Because when she visit India, so she must know Hindi also. And
Mhm.
in US, English automatically they will learn when
She
they
will
go to
learn
school.
automatically, yes.
Yeah.
For her, learning English would not be difficult
Yes.
for as it was for us, isn't it?
Right.
Because she is living with natives.
Right. Right.
Right. When did you move from here to the US?
Just on the 8th March, Women's Day.
Oh, okay. 8th
Like that's
March.
why I asked you in the month of January. So that time you were busy with some people. So I was waiting, and after suddenly my program like settled, and my son booked the ticket. So yeah, I am here on 8th March.
Okay, any kind of disturbance due to this war which is happening at
No, no,
present?
no, 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 nothing.
All peaceful?
Everything is normal. Yeah, everything is
Good to
normal.
hear. Good to
Yes, yes,
hear. Because one of my friends, she is also living in the US, so I asked her also by messaging.
yeah.
She is teaching. She's a teacher. She was
Oh,
teaching here in Lucknow also with me, but she
okay,
moved from here to the US, and
okay,
there also she is a computer teacher. So she
okay.
said, no, everything in normal, whatever.
Na media shows are very like increase these things very.
By adding lots of spices.
Yes, 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 yes.
Right, right.
Nothing like that. Everything is normal and yeah, good.
Hmm. Is it your first trip to the US?
No, 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 no. Every year I used to come here. Last year also.
Okay.
Because
And
we
how
can't stay
long
more
you
than
have a
6
plan to stay there in this trip?
6 months only because more than 6 months we can't stay here. So every visit I stay 6 months here and 6 months in India. After that again in here, and nowadays my life is going like that after retirement.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
as you already mentioned, after retirement, so let the audience know. Please introduce yourself in short.
Yeah. Sure, sure. So I am a retired teacher and my roots are in Madhya Pradesh. I have done my master's in Hindi literature and sociology, and I love to serve the nation, I would say. So that parents also, I always try to give them advice. Don't pressure on your
Children.
children. Yes, just go with their opinion. Whatever they want, just let them do to free. You have to just observe them actually what they are doing and share your experience with them, but not force to do anything. Yeah, give them freedom to choose their career and
Yes, you
everything.
can advise, like if
Yes.
you feel that your child has this caliber, the potential,
Yeah.
and somewhere if your interest is also like you want to see your child at
Right.
certain place, so you can
Right.
certainly bring your opinion in front of them. And
Yes.
if they wish to follow your opinion, and if it
Yes.
matches with your opinion to their opinion, it's perfectly fine. But we
Exactly.
cannot burden them to follow what we want.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
We
Yes.
can certainly suggest that according to age, whatever we have learned and experienced, those
Yeah.
things we can share. But
Right.
finally, eventually they have to do, isn't it? So
Right.
it's better if they choose something of their core of interest, then
Yes.
they can prove themselves 100%. If they
Correct.
do it something because of pressure, so
Yeah.
they will always do it as a burden.
Yeah.
So that is true. How
Yes.
many children do you have, Pramila ji?
I have only one son.
One son. Okay.
Yeah.
And only one son, and he is also, I mean, settled in the US. Is
Yes.
he a permanent resident?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. Yeah.
But he has a plan to settle there.
Yes.
If
Yes.
everything goes smoothly,
Yeah.
everything turns into his favor, so he is
Yeah.
going to be the citizen of the US.
Yes.
What's
He has
your
been, he has
what's
been
your
living here.
feeling?
Yeah. He has been living here since 2012.
Oh, so it's more than 13 years.
Yes. Right. Right.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you are used to. It's
Yes.
nothing new for you.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
every year you go and
Yeah.
meet your son,
Yeah.
your
After
family.
retirement, I visited every year, but before retirement,
It
I
wasn't
was
possible.
because of my job. So
Mhm.
there is no liberty to visit every year because we have to take the permission from the headquarter. So that's why.
Yes, and even though you visit, you can hardly go for maybe 15 days, 20 days, 1 month
Yeah. Yes. So there
at
is no
most.
meaning of 15 days and 1 month to visit US.
If you move from India to the US,
Yeah.
like traveling 24 hours, even by flight, so it
Yes.
means at least you stay there for 2, 3 months. Then
Yeah.
you feel like, yes, you went, you met your family, your children,
Uh,
and you did something for them. What
Right.
we personally feel, if we went, if we cooked something, what
Ye-
could not, they could not.
Yes.
So we feel happy that, okay, on the
Yeah.
occasion of certain festival, now you are there. No, not
Yes.
even on the day of Holi also you are not there. You moved,
Yeah.
you went on 8th, as you said. So,
Yes.
so on the day of Holi, you were in India. How was your
Yeah.
Holi without
Yeah.
children?
I am the kind of person I live in every situation with the same, because I used to live alone. So I know how to manage the things. I never feel like that if I alone, so I feel something. Yeah, I am the person like Jaisa Desh Vaisa Bhesh. I
Life
never feel,
lesson, life
yeah.
lesson. Those who are going to watch, this
Yeah.
is one quote, Jaisa Desh, Vaisa Bhesh.
Yes. And
Life
I
lesson.
love it. Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Amazing, amazing, wonderful. And this quality is something that everyone should follow. Everyone should
Yes.
follow. We crave for everything.
Yes.
Sometimes, if you have something, then you want something better. If you don't
Yeah.
have, then certainly we have to crave. But one quote I remember, I heard somewhere in the interview or somewhere I read, I don't remember,
Uh,
that somebody was cribbing for the shoes, that I
oh,
don't have branded shoes.
yeah.
And then ultimately he realized when he found that somebody is not having even leg He's not, oh my God, I'm cribbing for the shoes. And one who
True.
does not have a leg, then think about that person. That's how, whenever we get upset, whenever we feel that we are less privileged, we are
Yeah.
deprived of something, then we should see those. I see children, small kids, small children. Mother is working as a laborer. Children are just playing with sand and with
Yeah.
stones and whatnot. They
Yes,
are
yes.
also raised in a way, and they are
And
happy.
ma'am, those children are very happy with their parents, because I
Yes.
used to visit everyday temple, and one time, like, what incidents I would like to share with you in short. So
Mhm.
every day I visit to temple. So in the on the way, like, some people are working on the construction site. So one day I give the biscuit packet on the child and say, give it to your mom. So
Mhm.
he just went to his mom and give it. And after next day, I said, yes, do you want to come with me? I will give you so many sweets and toffees and like that. And he said, no, I want to live with my mom. So they enjoy that atmosphere a lot. They feel it's my heaven. We
Yes.
feel like that how they survive, and they don't have the clothes to wear, they don't have to eat proper food, but they enjoy like it's
They,
a heaven.
they are
And
they
they
are
are playing
happy.
in the mud, and they are very happy,
And they are
in
healthy
torn
as well,
clothes.
Pramilaji. The best part is their immune
Very
is
strong.
so strong. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
And we like every time taking care of everything, sanitization and whatnot.
Yes.
But
Yes.
still, children are every month they have to fall sick.
Yes, yes. Because we pamper them a lot, na. So it's like in jungle. The jungle trees, nobody water them, but they
But
still
still they
like
survive.
grows very big and green every time, whole year. But in our home, if we go for 15 days, 20 days, and we
And
like
when we come
not
back, the
able
plants
to,
are all
yeah, yes,
died.
yes. So that is the thing. Our life and our body and everything is like that. Whatever you feed, it will respond accordingly. If
Yes.
you pamper, it will respond like that. If you will not pamper, and you will try to make them like it's a hard, rough and tough, then it will go like that.
This is another lesson. Yes. We are living our bonus life, which
Yeah.
God has graced us. Okay.
Right.
So, whatever you have experienced, and when you share, it's your insights would be certainly very great for the viewers, those who are going to watch, because people always feel upset about small, tiny things.
Yes.
There is
Yeah.
no, there are no big issues
Yeah.
in today's world because
Yes.
everything is accessible for them, what
Right.
not they have. But
Right.
still, are they really happy? As you said, that laborers, they live happy with their family. They feel like it's heaven for them. It's
Yes.
this
Yes.
is the world for them. They don't crib about, they don't have TV, they don't have bungalow, they
Yeah.
don't have cycle even. But
Yeah. Yeah.
still
Yeah.
they are happy. Still they
And madam, they are sleeping on the pile of a sand.
right, right,
Yeah,
right,
they don't
right.
have any cloth and any bed sheet like that. Nothing.
Nothing.
Sometimes I amaze. Oh, I stare at them and feel like how they spend their life, and in spite of that, they are so happy.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
How are you raising your grandchild? Are you pampering her also, or you are raising her in Indian style?
Yeah, but yeah, sometimes we pamper because we talk like that, but sometimes we miss na. Yeah, this is the age we miss. So we love to pamper them sometimes, but not that much. My like daughter-in-law and the son is always, they are handling very nicely and give them great care and love. So yeah.
Okay, so one question based on the US. Okay,
Uh-huh.
parenting is something, parents are the same, but parenting, what I have felt, is something different. Okay, what I have noticed. What would you say? Certain rules and regulations are to be followed, even though you are parents, but you have to follow the guidelines of the government.
Yeah, it should be, because I don't know much about it, because my granddaughter is only just 15
One
months
fifth,
old. But
yeah.
yeah, I heard from some people, like in school also, from the daycare, like they used to live in a daycare because
Mhm.
both parents are working in some cases. So they are very independent. from the childhood, and they take their own things by their own. In school also, school provides so much. And nowadays, in India also, they very like digital equipped classrooms are there. So
Right, right.
children enjoy, but they love to sit in front of the screen for long hours. So sometimes I feel like what will be the
Consequences.
yes, consequences with them, because from the childhood they are sitting in front of the screen. But yeah, nowadays parents are also very aware, and they alert them ki don't sit continuously for long hours. Like it's necessary to do sit only 1 hour, and after that take a little break. In offices also, I am observing in US, people just like not, they are not sitting on a continuous 7 to 8 hours. They just sit 1 hour and take a small
Little
short break.
gap.
Yeah. And after that they work again. And in US na, ma'am, people work very stress free environment. They are not feeling
Mm.
any stress of boss and nothing. Just they do, because they know what we have to do in 1 week. It's your choice. You are going to do to complete the work in 2 days or 3 days or 5 days. It's your choice. But this is the your project to complete in 1 week. So they are not pressurized ki you have to sit continuously 8 and 10 hours and 12 hours. It's totally depend on you. So that much freedom is also required. When we do something with freedom na, we feel no stress and nothing, we enjoy. In our home also, if we talk about back then mother in-laws, you have to do this time, do that time. So that
Right, right.
time we felt like, oh, it's a burden. But when we do with our choice and freedom, then when we do
Then
the
it,
whole night work, we never feel any stress. It's
right,
some uh,
right,
human
right,
tendency. So
right.
yeah.
And it's good in a way if the work, you know that this amount of work you have to
Yes.
complete within a week or 1 day. So
Yeah.
whether you take all 24 hours or all 7 days, or if you complete it before the deadline, enjoy.
Yes.
And
Yes.
this is the attraction for the children. They are moving from India to the other
Exactly.
countries.
Exactly. Work culture is totally different from India to US. Yeah. And it matters a lot,
It
because
matters.
nowadays teachers are highly qualified and they want to work in a stress free environment. They don't want to like keep everybody is poking their nose in their work.
Work.
So they just, yeah, in boss also feel like a colleague. they
And there is
they
no boss, there is no culture
Yeah.
of saying sir and madam.
Yes,
Is
yes, yes.
nobody is sir, nobody is madam.
All are
Everybody is
equal.
the same. They
Yeah.
all call them by their names.
Yes, yes.
So this is
Always
one.
they praise you for their work. Whatever you do, they will praise you. Yeah. And they will reward you.
Right,
So incentives also matters a lot.
right, right. Yes,
Yeah.
appreciation is very much required to
Yeah.
get
Mot,
100% from the
mot,
employees and
yes,
for the
motivate.
motivation.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
then
yes.
only you can get from them. Otherwise, they will feel, why shall I put in my blood, sweat, and everything? Yeah,
Yes.
I should just do it at my pace.
Yes, yes.
One question popped up in my mind because we Indians have our own accent,
Yeah. Yeah.
and now you are in the US. So,
Hmm.
did you ever face the accent problems when you
Yeah.
step out of your house there?
Yeah. It is there. Yeah, for me, because I am not so much fluent speaker. I'm just trying to excel, but yeah, it is there, because their accent is sometimes very difficult. They keep the half sentence in their
Wow.
mouth.
The,
They utter
the,
only half sentence, and by their expression they want to say, but sometimes it is difficult for us to understand.
yes, yes,
But
and they speak quite fast.
no problem. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So, how do you manage them?
Yes, sometimes I try to manage. Sometimes I understand. Sometimes, but sometimes if I am not able to understand, so my son and daughter-in-law help me. Yeah.
When they are there, then you don't have to worry
Yes.
about because they
Yes.
will manage everything. But
Yeah. Because
when
I always visit with them.
ah,
Alone never I visit anywhere.
Okay, 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 okay. For
We can't
me,
go
for
anywhere
me,
alone.
actually, I was going for the grocery shop. Sometimes I was just getting some vegetables, fruits, or
Yeah,
whatever is
yeah.
missing in the kitchen. So that's how
Hmm.
I was going. So initially, I was also facing this. The way they speak so fast, and
Yeah.
certain things are also quite different from here. So I
Yes.
faced initially. But
Yes.
after going for a year or two, then I
Huh.
understood that this is how they are
Yes.
going to speak. I have to
Yes.
keep my eyes, ears, everything open to understand them.
Yeah.
Because we have to see their lips movement as well as their
Yes.
body language,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
we have to connect with the
Correct.
activity we are dealing with.
Correct. Correct. Suppose we are not able to express our ideas,
Mhm.
but we understand by their body language. And
Mhm.
in Indian markets, na people used to
Mhm.
speak Hindi also, and yeah, it is like yeah, Indian market.
Indian
We
stores, yes,
yeah,
yes, yes, yes.
yes,
There are Indian stores. There people
yeah,
speak in Hindi and English
yeah,
both. They are,
yeah,
they have kept the employees those who are fluent in
yeah,
both the languages.
yeah, yes,
Okay. So what's
yeah.
your favorite pastime in the US, by the way? What do you do? One is your granddaughter is itself full-time entertainment.
Ma'am,
But
actually, my sister is also here. She is the citizen of US,
mhm.
and my sister's daughter is also here.
Okay.
Yeah, and my cousin is also here. So many relatives are here. So yeah, I
That's
spend time with him nicely.
you can go and meet with
Yes,
them. Right.
all are in California itself. My son is also in San Francisco, and sister also in like nearby Sacramento. So all are in California. So I never feel like that.
Mhm. Okay. So now coming to a very serious question, actually, which
Hmm.
I felt like I must ask you because what I have noticed, whether I'm right or not.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I want to know your point of view as well.
Hmm.
Because what I have noticed, not only in India, in even abroad also, like
Hmm.
the culture of old age home
Hmm.
is rapidly increasing worldwide.
Yeah.
Yes. What is the reason? And especially in India, because
Hmm.
we are family oriented people.
Yeah.
Yes. But still, these days, these old age homes are actually intimidating me. But
Yeah.
it's a great place where people, if they don't have family members, they can
Yeah.
at least stay there with someone, those who are a part of their life. They become their family members only. But still, this is increasing rapidly. What can
Yeah.
be the reason? What do you think? What is your take on this?
Yeah. Yeah. So increasing of old age concept, I must say, कि because of changing lifestyle and changing
Hmm.
work culture
Hmm.
and migration,
Hmm.
you know,
Hmm.
and family structures. These
Right.
things are the main reason for the old age home. And sometimes, ma'am, old people also, like you and me, we are in the category of senior citizen, but we are not like exactly senior citizen. We
Mhm.
want to live with our own. We want to
Right.
do the
Right.
things by our own. We don't
Mhm.
want to depend on anyone, right?
Mhm.
So these type of people are also prefer to live in the old age home because that they can receive proper medical care and proper communication with the same group, because in this age na, we feel like if we connect with the same age group, then we feel very comfortable. We like feel very happy when we share our life experience
Mhm.
with them, because youngsters are busy in their work nowadays. Couples, like both are husband and wife, both are working. They don't have much time to spend with the older people. So that's why I think in India also, many people are working out of their home, so they don't have proper time to take care of their parents. And parents are sometimes like they are very qualified and they are retired persons, so they are also want to enjoy their life in their own ways. So that's the
Mhm.
reason, because in old age home there is no like we can say burden they feel. They
Mhm.
feel very good because
Freedom, actually.
yeah, yeah, and
Yes.
they do some creative activities with the same age group, so they enjoy a lot.
Right.
बिकॉज
Right.
इन हिंदी भी से बुढ़ापा बहुधा बचपन का पुनरागमन होता है. इन हिंदी भी से कि
Hmm.
बुढ़ापा बहुधा बचपन का पुनरागमन होता है. तो बचपन में जैसे बच्चों को बच्चे के साथ अच्छा लगता है, सेम
Right. Same
सेम
happens.
Yeah,
in the
same
age,
happen with us.
old
We
age.
also feel good when we connect with the same age group and share our experience and life and with them. So that's the reason I think कि family like nuclear family nowadays, still some families are joined, but I would say 80% people are nowadays living in a nuclear
Nuclear
family,
family.
right?
You
So
are right.
that is also one of the reason for this old age home.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely. Yes.
yeah,
And people understand their children's problem,
yeah,
that they both are working,
yes,
and out of 24 hours, at least 8 hours
yeah,
are very important for them to sleep.
yeah,
And then
yes,
somewhere 8 to 9 hours they have to work.
yes,
And if parents are sick, then who is going to take care? So
right.
ultimately, if parents are earning parents, then they can certainly manage. And parents also want to be self-made, independent.
Yeah,
They don't want to feel that other people
yes,
takes it as a burden.
yeah,
Yes.
yes. That
So
is the
that is the
thing.
reason.
Yes,
But
yes.
this is in a way, I feel it's good if people get proper old age home.
Yeah,
There are so many things are coming into news. Like, there are also lots of manipulation is there. Like,
yes,
they
yes,
commit many things.
yes.
If you pay this much, so these many things will be
Yeah,
available in the
yeah,
old age home. But the practical thing is, it's not available on the ground level.
yeah. But you know, one thing I would like to say, if we have a pragmatic approach towards life,
Mhm.
then nothing is bad in our life. These
So
are the
true, so
phases
true.
of life. You know, these are the
Right.
phases of life, and we have to live with them, and we have to enjoy those phases also.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's all about your mindset. How do you take it?
right.
Do you take it
Exactly.
negatively, or you are positive about it? Yes,
Yeah,
this is also a new phase of my life. It started
right.
in the childhood, then
Yeah,
teenage, and then got married, then my own children, then job, and then now retired. After retirement, now when I'm not able to manage, when I'm able to manage, yes, of course, alone or with children, it's all good. If
right.
not, then yes, that home is, and permanent home is the main destination. That is
Yeah. Right.
so nice to talk with you, Pramila ji. Uh, I'm grateful to host you today after a long time,
Feelings.
and I won't take your much time because it's night and it's time for you to hit the sack. Rather, you are getting late. So thank you
Yeah.
so much for taking out time
Yeah,
and
yeah. Feelings
spending
are mutual, madam. I am also very thankful for providing me the precious time and
over the moon, actually, to discuss certain things with you. The things
yeah,
which I discussed with you, I cannot discuss with some young age people
yeah,
if they
right.
are on my channel. I want to thank you so much for sharing your insights, your wisdom. So
Yeah,
see you again when you come back to India, maybe after
yeah,
6 months.
sure.
Okay. Enjoy your family time.
Yeah, thank you so
Okay.
much, ma'am.
Okay.
And yeah, thanks a lot. I really enjoyed the session, and
Pleasure
I
is
hope
all mine,
look
Pramila ji.
forward to see you again with your beautiful smile. I pray
Thank
to God shower His blessings on you and your family.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you
thank,
so much, Pramila.
thank,
It means a lot. It means a lot.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye. Bye.